in, Jake. Come on, Jake.
Try and run. You gotta watch that.
Can we pull up?
No. We just keep fishing on the bottom with the bottom of the rod. Double up. Whoever wants the bottom fish, bottom fish. If you want to send a bottom bait down, we can work around. Yeah, I can move around that. Alright, so come on.
Jake, need a belt?
We'll get you on this side away from where the Samberjack is right now. That way you guys don't drop right on top of
Is it pulling, man?
Don't be too afraid to ask for the belt. Thank you. Whoever helps. Yeah, you want that belt helps. You want a belt? We got My Little Pony or Barbie. Take your pick. All right. Here you go.
You can put it right here in this little corner of your hip too.
Come on, where's that P90X abs at, baby? We're ripping them off the ab ripper.
Abs snake. You're not gaining any on him. Nope. You want the belt? Well, I put it right here. Right, my stomach, right there in the little hip socket.
Like a little spot right here. Right between your nuts and your hip.
Yeah, right there. There you go.
You'll have a bruise, but you know, you gotta have a balance.
If you want the belt, I'll give you the belt. I'd rather give you the belt than have you lose the fish.
Everybody's got to get their battle scar at one point or the other.
You know, some people rag and joke about the belt, but if you've never done this before, and, you know, we come out here and do it all the time, we're used to holding. But then when he wants to run, it's like, all right, let's take it.
Yeah, they're about to all get wrapped up in this fish.
Not as good as grouper, but they taste good.
Then you want to reel down.
Probably need to get that fish on here.
Yeah. There'll be enough.
Yeah, just far forward. Keep it up there. Oh, yeah. They won't bite you again. Oh, they won't.
There's the mangoes.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, look at that one.
Holy
Start
smoke.
getting these big rods out.
Yep.
That's the outfish. And what we'll do, I'll show you how to do
Keep an eye
this.
out
This
for
is
that
a little more
cobia.
patience
We're going to
fishing.
leave that flat line.
Whoever wants to flat line for a snapper? Who would like to do that?
Maybe Ken? Or Dave? No.
I don't care. What he was showing you earlier, it's okay for like party boat rods and stuff. These rods you want to set up a little different stick this time.
Oh, yeah, those are nice.
Right up here. Wow. And you'd want to do this if you had your own rods. So you look up there, not actually through the guide itself, but through the angle. Pull that lever back, pull this down. That way your weight that's down here is not bounced around your rod, banging around. And that's how you want to treat your own personal rod. These rods from here. Here's so that's very good. Got a little thing, you know, crappy rods.
What's the longest you've ever had to bring in a fish like this? What's the old record? Jake's about to set it. What's the biggest amberjack you guys caught?
I think I got the size flying. Go over him for the
Size of the guy's muscles?
You don't do that?
You keep worried about your fish.
I'm bigger than you. What we're going to do here, see where all our chum is, you're going to use this, right? Get off fast. Lightly pass it up.
Get out of the way.
Your right hand up here. Step right out.
There you go, Jake.
See him, Jake.
Looking good.
Hold the spine.
I can't even like wearing yourself out.
Want that where it's like going out. Feel the line start going out really fast. Feel it start going out really fast.
Oh, yeah.
just Come on, Jake.
It's like fishing in an aquarium.
It is.
Right there.
How long will you stick with it?
Bobby?
He's hooked up.
On it, Bobby?
Look at there.
Yeah, Bob.
Double hookup.
Snap right there. Come on, Jake. I have to take it off. I can hook it for you all day. I'm claiming that Maui or whatever it's called. You can actually learn how to do it on your own. You have to take your time to teach you. You're not impatient. Like some people who kick out here are really impatient. Like one people who nails this. Oh, nice porgy. Let me see.
Holy porgy, man.
Hold on. You got it? Give me a stick. What is that?
Big
Please.
porgy. Huge porgy.
Yeah, it's a really good fish.
Really good eating.
It's such light tackle, I don't want to swing it up.
Wow.
Nice.
Okay, what is that?
Big old jolt head porgy.
Oh, I thought you got him on the flat line. I'm like, how'd you do that?
No. Probably get a shot. Go watch it over there. Thank you. Porgy. We'll just cut it and always have it out. Nice porgy. That's good. You don't see him like that too often.
Those good eaters?
Yeah. Excellent.
Oh, look at that.
Look at all the jacks over there.
God, look at that big old mango. Yeah, he just reel up. You know, come on, Dave.
He wants that bait. He wants that bait.
I know he does.
Hey. So he sees more. That way, you know, you can even that out. Oh, nice porgy. Bouncing like that. We get that jack in? Excellent. There we go. Yeah.
There he is. Nice mango.
What you got, Dave? Mango?
Right now.
Woo!
He's out here, and when you don't hear the drag go up, reel. When you hear that noise, don't reel, because that's just going to tip your line up.
You got a nice snapper there, David?
Right. I know what drag is.
Okay, cool. Lift up, nice and gently, and reel down. So you're going to only be able to lift up a little bit, and then get a couple cranks down fast. Pull back nice and easy. Down fast. Perfect. Good job, man.
Feel like a good one, Dave?
We were just watching it. He said it was a good one.
Did you watch him hit it actually?
No, could not quite see the surface. Yeah.
Cool.
Filming a movie? I'm going to throw that camera in.
Yep.
It's not real big. Neither am I, though.
This is a nice snapper here. Oh, yeah.
That is a nice one.
Oh, baby.
Nice mango. I seen him looking nice.
Oh, look at that.
Bring him in nice and easy.
Well, that's not really pork. It's not really. You want me to gap one? Yeah, just get a stick. Hand it to me. All right.
Here. Lay it flat.
Whoa. Got it at the same time. Perfect.
Big old mango.
Mango's in.
Watch your rod.
Oh, a snapper, huh?
Awesome. You like doing that?
Yeah, I did.
That was good.
Thank you. That was fun. Let's go get another.
Hold up that snapper, David.
Oh, nice shot.
That was great.
Okay, David. Put up your bait fish. What do you like? You like that, Jay?
Get a picture of that fish real quick. That's a big one on that light tackle. I'll get you retied, bud.
For a while. He wants to put it down. He's cramping. Let him put it down.
That's a nice snapper there. A big old mango.
Hey, Charlie, can you help me? He wants to put his fish down.
Excuse me, guys.
All right.
Just back down.
Watch your hook.
Wow.
Slide him on in there.
Hold your on, dude.
There you go. Good job, man. You can wash your hands off the line well.
Good job, Jay. Are you going to nap now? That was fun, huh?
Let me wash this dead.